equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV11 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base of the vacuum to expose the internal components. This is a great opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the interior, ensuring that all areas are clean. Now, focus on the ring that needs to be changed. You will notice that it is secured in place with additional screws. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the old ring. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the old ring is removed, take your new ring and align it properly with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. After the new ring is installed, it's essential to reassemble the base of the vacuum. Carefully place the base back onto the vacuum, ensuring that all components fit snugly. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Now, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it back into the power source and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate improper installation. If everything sounds good, you've successfully changed the ring on your Dyson SV11. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any point, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Our professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify any other potential issues with your vacuum. Finally, take a moment to clean the exterior of your Dyson SV11, ensuring it looks as good as new. Regular maintenance like this not only extends the life of your vacuum but also keeps it performing at its best. Thank you for following this guide, and enjoy your freshly serviced Dyson SV11. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.